The Rockets taking on the Celtics, and this game was ugly. 42 points for James Harden, 32 for Eric Gordon, and they completely destroyed the Celtics on their home floor. And this is just not a good look. What is wrong with them? What's wrong with Boston? Why were they so good last year, but this year they're healthy? They got Kyrie back, they got Gordon Hayward back, but they're just not as mean. They were fighters. They would come back down 20 before when those guys were out of the lineup. This makes no sense. And that's why the NBA is so crazy from year to year. Look at Eric Gordon from way downtown. Splash. The scoreboard is just ugly. CP3's gonna find Gordon again for another one. It was so bad at one point, Kyrie was even getting booed by the fans. They were not happy. He's gonna knock down the three there. Celtics are going to look to get back into the game. They've got a long way to go to get back, though. Clint Capella left open in the paint. So it's like you got to decide, do we leave somebody open for three or do we give up the two? Now James Harden with the step back splash. The points just keep raining for Houston, but finally, some good news, a momentum booster. Gordon, he's going to throw it down. Crowd is getting a little bit excited. The Celtics are almost back in the fourth quarter, but the 50-50 balls keep going the way of the Rockets as CP3 makes the second chance three. Then Jaylen Brown with the throw down in transition, but it's too little, too late as Harden. He's going to hit another devastating double step back splash, and he wants the foul too. He's greedy. Jaylen Brown going to get one more highlight. They leave the paint open. He stuffs it. But that's going to do it. The Celtics go down again. Oh, I just wasted an ankle breaker. You can't do that in All-Star Weekend. Ooh, I got another one. No! That's a murder. Wow, I lifted off from way back there. I don't think I've ever taken off from there to slam it. That is crazy. One.